students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is letter writing. We communicate every day. We talk to our friend, family members and convey our thoughts, feelings, opinions and needs. However, the scope of verbal communication is often missing, especially in circumstances when our near and dear ones are away from us. On such occasions, letters help us to communicate with others. Even in this era of technology where everything is just a click away, we cannot do away with letters. This is because letters are also useful as an official medium of communication for requests or complaints. Even the personal letters that we write addressed to our near and dear ones records the thought process of the writer, and it also shows his skill in expressing himself through carefully chosen words. तो बच्चों लेटर्स जो होते हैं ये हमारे कम्युनिकेशन होते हैं, जरिया होता है जिसके थ्रू हम रिटर्न मेथड के थ्रू क्या करते हैं, एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. ठीक है, अब इसमें आपके ऑफिशियल लेटर्स भी आ जाते हैं, आपकी कंप्लेंट वगैरह भी आ जाती है, आपकी रिक्वेस्ट वगैरह भी आ जाती है. जैसे आप अपने प्रिंसिपल को क्या करते हो, एप्लीकेशन वगैरह लिखते हो, उनसे अर्जी वगैरह आप डालते हो. साथ ही साथ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ, मेंबर्स के साथ और दूसरे लोगों के साथ पर्सनल शेयरिंग भी करते हो. किसके थ्रू? लेटर्स के थ्रू. फीचर्स ऑफ लेटर्स. Letter have the following features. Heading. The heading informs the reader about the place where the letter has been written and on which date. For example, 821 Milan Apartment, Old Ballygonge Road, Kolkata, West Bengal, India, 25 July 2000 dash. Note the above information is placed on the top left corner of the letter. Salutation. The matter of our greeting would depend on our relationship with the recipients of the letter. For example, we write dear father, mother, uncle for our family members. While addressing friend, we write dear Rahul or dear Gaurav. For addressing people with whom the writer has a former relationship, dear sir, madam is written. The body of the letter. The content of a letter generally depends upon the type of letter the writer wishes to write. The following are some guidelines which are applicable to all kinds of letters. The writer must know what he wants to write. Facts should be arranged properly and written in paragraphs in case there are different points to be stated in the subject matter. Simple and direct language in preferably short sentences has to be used and attention must be paid to proper punctuation. The last part of the body acts as a conclusion to the letter and can be of any of the following types. Example, please give my regards or looking forward to hear from you soon. The subscription. The subscription includes the closing line of the letter which are written below the body of the letter and towards the left side of the page. Example, yours sincerely, your affectionately, thanking you. Remember, yours does not take any apostrophe sincere, since here it is used as a possessive. Fifth, the signature. It is the name of the writer and it must come below the subscription. Example, yours sincerely, Mukul Joshi. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें फॉर्मेट बताया गया है कि कैसे हम अपना लेटर जो है वो लिखते हैं. इसमें सबसे पहले आपकी हेडिंग आ जाती है, ठीक है, और आपका एड्रेस आ जाता है, मतलब आप जिसको लेटर लिख रहे होते हो उसका एड्रेस एंड डेट आ जाता है. देन आपका सैल्यूटेशन आता है, आपका उस पर्सन के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है वो आप लिखोगे. ठीक है, फादर मदर है तो आप डियर लिखोगे. अगर आप फ्रेंड को लिख रहे हो तो आप अपने फ्रेंड का नाम उसके आगे डियर लिखोगे. ठीक है, अगर आप ऑफिशियल लेटर लिख रहे हो, एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हो तो आप वहाँ पे डियर मैम, सर, इस तरीके से उनको एड्रेस करोगे. देन आपकी बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर आ जाएगा कि आप उस लेटर में उस पर्सन से क्या कहना चाह रहे हो. ठीक है, उसके बाद जब आप एंड कर देते हो तो आप सब्सक्रिप्शन डालोगे. ठीक है, सब्सक्रिप्शन में आपकी क्लोजिंग लाइन इंक्लूड होती है और आपका जो क्लोजिंग लाइन है सब्सक्रिप्शन है वो लेफ्ट राइट साइड में ही आना चाहिए. ये सब जो पार्ट्स होते हैं ये आपके लेटर के लेफ्ट साइड में ही आते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप सिग्नेचर दोगे, अपना नाम लिखोगे. नाउ द एनवेलप शुड बेयर द रिसिपिएंट्स एड्रेस एज वेल एज दैट ऑफ द सेंडर्स. Example, Nupur Goswami, C21, Amrapali Village, Vasishtpuri, Patna, Bihar. From Mukul Joshi, A21, Milal Legacy, Everest Road, Kolkata, 700019, West Bengal. Letters are of two types, formal and informal letters. Informal letters, these are the letters we write to our relatives or friends with whom we share a personal bonding. Example, here is a letter written by Rani to her friend Sneha about her plans for summer vacation. Now, address of the writer, F8/47 Usha Apartments, Chitrakoot Colony, Indrapuram, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Date 9th May 2000 dash. Salutation, dear Sneha. Acts like an introduction where the writer greets her friend, asks about her family. Hope you are fine. It has been almost 2 weeks since I heard from you. How is your family? I'm sure your younger sister Trisha is happy going to her new school. Body of the letter, discuss her program focuses on painting. Our summer vacation has already started and I have enrolled myself in 2 summer programs. You will be surprised to know that one of them is painting. I am very excited about this program since some renowned artists of the city would be part of it. The main purpose of the letter is discussed. Mention the other program and the schedule of the activities. The other program I have enrolled in is skating and my younger brother Varun would also join me. The activities are expected to start from 16 May and I will tell you about my experience in the next letter. Acts as conclusion to the letter. Give my regards to the elders in your family and lots of love and affection to your younger sister. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Subscription signature, yours affectionately Ravi. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे बताए गए लेटर्स जो होते हैं वो 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं, ठीक है। आपका एक होते हैं फॉर्मल लेटर्स एंड दूसरे होते हैं आपके इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स। इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स जो होते हैं ये पर्सनल लेटर्स कराते हैं जो आप अपनी फैमिली को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को लिखते हो। अब यहाँ पे आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया गया है। यहाँ पे एक लड़की है रानी, वो अपनी फ्रेंड स्नेहा को लेटर लिख रही है और अपने समर वेकेशन के प्लान्स के बारे में बता रही है। Features of informal letters. We can see from the given example that an informal letter has the following features. It is written in an essay-friendly, personal and conversational style. No commas are used at the end of the line in address, date, salutation and subscription. Date can be written as 28th May 2000 dash. No comma is used. The form of address is usually the name without the title of the person to whom one is writing the letter or the name by which the recipient is called, prefixed by such qualifying terms as dear, my dear, for example, dear father, dear Rahul. The form of subscription may vary. Yours affectionately or your affectionate son. For letters to family members, yours loving and yours affectionately may be used. Your loving friend may be used for friends. The content should be clear, to the point and coherent. Sample informal letter. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको फीचर्स बता रखे हैं, ठीक है। आपकी जो लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए इनफॉर्मल लेटर की वो फ्रेंडली होनी चाहिए, पर्सनल होनी चाहिए और कन्वर्सेशनल होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आप एक दूसरे से क्या कर रहे हो, बात कर रहे हो लेटर के थ्रू। इसमें आपके कॉमर्स वगैरह नहीं आते, लेकिन आपकी डेट वगैरह आप मेंशन कर सकते हो, ठीक है। फॉर्म ऑफ एड्रेस जो होता है ये यूजली नेम के विदाउट, टाइटल ऑफ द पर्सन के विदाउट होता है, ठीक है, जिससे आप लेटर वगैरह लिख रहे होते हो और यहाँ पे आप उसे एड्रेस करते हो डियर फ्रेंड, या फिर आप उसका नाम लिख के माई डियर फ्रेंड, कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो, उसका नाम डियर राहुल, डियर फादर, आप जिस तरीके से लेटर लिख रहे हो। एंड जब आप करते हो, सब्सक्रिप्शन जब आप देते हो, तो आप योर्स अफेक्शनेटली, योर्स अफेक्शनेट सन, इस तरीके से आप लेटर का एंड करते हो अपना नाम लिख करके। Now second, imagine that you stay in a boarding school, write a letter to your father, information him about the date when your summer break will start. Brightland Schools, 25th Station Road, New Town, Jalpaiguri, Mumbai, 4th May 2000 dash. My dear father, hope you and mother are keeping well. I am fine though a little biased with the science project. We need to submit in before the school closes for the summer break. You would be happy to know that my school will be closed for the summer vacation from the 15th May to 30th June. Hence, you can come and take me home on 14th May afternoon after my school gets over. I'm really excited at the thought that within a fortnight I would be there amidst both of you. I have already made plans for the vacation and I would tell you all the details once I meet you. Tell mother the good news and give her my love. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Yours loving, ईशान. और बच्चों आपको यहाँ पे इमेजिन करना है कि आप बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रह रहे हो और बोर्डिंग स्कूल से आपको अपने फादर को क्या करना है, लेटर लिखना है. ठीक है, आपकी समर ब्रेक स्टार्ट हो गई है और आप वहाँ पे क्या क्या करना चाहते हो उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन को आपको लेटर के थ्रू अपने फादर को बताना है. Third, write a letter to a classmate who has absent from school for a week and inform him about the important things that had happened during his absence. 24 Shastri Street, Serampore, Kolkata, 20 July 2000 Dear Karan, I hope everything is alright. You have been absent from school for about a week now and everybody including the class teacher and the headmistress here been inquiring about you. During your absence, two important things happened. One of them is the surprise math unit test and the other is the selection of the school basketball team. I'm sure if you were present, you would have made it to the basketball team. I hope you are not ill and please write to me about the reason behind your absence. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. योर सिंसियरली रजत. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे आप रजत हो, आप सपोज करो और आप अपने क्लासमेट जो क्लास में नहीं आया था, छुट्टी पे था, आप उसको उसके बारे में बता रहे हो कि पूरे दिन में आज क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई थी. Fourth, write a letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times, about inadequate water supply in your locality. 10/15 Radhapuri, Delhi, April 3, 2000 The editor, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Subject, inadequate water supply. Sir, through the esteemed column of your newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the municipal authorities towards the inadequate water supply in your locality. It is really very unfortunate that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi is rather unconcerned about the provision of civic amenities to the public in our area in particular. Water supply gets discontinued at peak hours in the morning when everyone has got to get ready for the day. Even when the supply is intact, the pressure is terribly low. All this causes a great inconvenience to everyone. May we expect that the water supply will soon be regulated. Thanking you, yours truly, Mayur Kothari. अब बच्चों आप मयूर कोठारी हो और आप एक न्यूज़पेपर के एडिटर को क्या लिख रहे हो, लेटर लिख रहे हो. ठीक है, उनको बता रहे हो कि आपके एरिया में जो वाटर सप्लाई हो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. Formal letters. Formal letters are those we write to people with whom we have formal relationship. For example, to the principal headmistress of a school. Example, here is an application written by Rakesh Sureka to the principal of his school requesting him for sick leave. Recipient's address, the principal, St. Joseph School, 5 Hillman Lane, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Date 25 July 2000 Subject of the application, salutation. Subject, sick leave application. Dear Madam, body of the letter. I would like to state that on 23rd June 2000 I was unable to attend school due to high fever. I would be grateful to you if you kindly grant me leave for that day. Subscription, yours obediently, name of the student, class and section. Rakesh Surekha, class 6th A. Feature of a formal letter. As we can see from the above example that a formal letter has the following features. An application is a formal letters. The language and tone of the letter are very formal and very short sentences are used. The name and address of a person to whom the application is addressed are also given. Unlike informal letters, a formal letter has a subject which is usually introduced before salutation. The recipient is addressed either by Sir, Madam or Dear Sir, Madam, and the subscription at the end is usually yours faithfully or yours truly. The details in the body of the letter must be absolutely clear, relevant and to the point. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको फॉर्मेट बताया गया है फॉर्मल लेटर्स का. फॉर्मल लेटर्स जो होता है ये हम ऑफिशियल लिखते हैं किसी को भी, जैसे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को, हेडमिस्ट्रेस को हम लिखते हैं. यहाँ पे हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, अपील करते हैं उनसे कुछ भी चीज़ मांगने के लिए. अब आपका यहाँ पे फीचर बताया गया है. ठीक है, आपकी एप्लीकेशन जो होनी चाहिए वो फॉर्मल में होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, और लैंग्वेज जो टोन होनी चाहिए वो भी ऑफिशियल होनी चाहिए और उसमें आपके कुछ ही सेंटेंस, शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस यूज़ होने चाहिए. नेम एंड एड्रेस जो होता है किसी भी पर्सन का जिसे आप लिख रहे होते हो उसको आप एड्रेस करोगे अच्छे से. साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे आपका सब्जेक्ट भी आएगा जो आपके पर्सनल लेटर में नहीं आता. सैम्पल फॉर्मल लेटर. 57 Forest Hill, NCR, 20th July 2015. The principal, Doon Academy, Delhi. Subject, request for birth certificate and report card. Dear respected madam, I had submitted my daughter's birth certificate in the school in 2009 at the time of her admission to the school. Now we have got transferred to Jaipur. My daughter will now seek admission in St. Mary High School there. This is to request you to kindly return my daughter's birth certificate. Her detailed report card would also be required. I would appreciate if you can send me the requested documents by the end of this month. Here details are: name Meenal Agarwal, date of birth 10th September 2002, class 6, section B, roll number 23. I look forward to your cooperation in this matter. Thank you. Yours सिंसियरली SK अग्रवाल. अब यहाँ पे एक फादर जो है वो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को क्या लिख रहा है, लेटर लिख रहा है, एप्लीकेशन लिख रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो दूसरी जगह क्या हो रहे हैं, ट्रांसफ़र हो रहे हैं. तो उन्हें अपनी बेटी का बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट जो उन्होंने सबमिट कराया था और उसकी रिपोर्ट कार्ड चाहिए. Write a letter to your father seeking her permission to join an educational tour organized by your school. Infant Jesus Angel Indian High School, Model Town, Delhi, April 7, 2000. My dear father, it has been a long time since I wrote to you. My examination is over and you will be glad to know that I have done well. Our school is organizing an educational tour to Mumbai during the summer vacation. Mr. R.N. Khanna, our science teacher, will accompany us on this tour. It is a month-long tour and we plan to visit Mathura, Agra, Gwalior and Route. In Mumbai, we plan to stay for 10 days and we intend visiting Elephant Caves, Gateway of India and the famous Aisle World. We also propose to visit Shirdi and Pune. The school shall bear all the expenses for lodging. We shall have to pay only for the fare and the food. Papa, it is a great opportunity for me to go sightseeing and I would not like to miss it. I sincerely hope you will allow me to join the party. Yours affectionately, Rohit. अब आप रोहित हो और अपने फादर को आप लेटर लिख रहे हो. क्यों? क्योंकि उनसे आपको परमिशन चाहिए. आपका स्कूल जो है वो आपको एजुकेशनल टूर पे लेके जा रहा है. Write a letter to a mayor of your city complaining about the poor and unkept condition of the local library. 24 Kamak Street, Rajasthan 15 May 2000, Kolkata Municipal Corporation, Municipal Office, Rajasthan 15. Subject, poor condition of the city library. Dear sir, this is to draw your attention to the condition of the local library. The public library is facing a lot of problem ranging from unavailability of books to dismal condition of the building which requires renovation. The reading rooms are not properly illuminated and even chairs and tables have become worn or with time. These factors discourage children like me from becoming members and thus enjoy reading. Therefore, I would be grateful to you if you kindly look into the matter and help in getting necessary arrangement made to provide good facilities in the library. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Aman Verma. अब आपको लेटर लिखना है म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन को और उनका ध्यान जो है आकर्षित करना है किसकी तरफ, आपके एरिया में जो लाइब्रेरी है उसकी कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है. तो आप चाहते हो कि वो उसकी कंडीशन जो है वो अच्छी करें या उस तरफ अपना ध्यान दें. डिफरेंस बिटवीन फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल लेटर फॉर्मेट. फॉर्मल लेटर, इनफॉर्मल लेटर. डिसिप्लिन एड्रेस inside the letter on the envelope. Subject, required, not required. Language, formal and to the point, depend on the relationship, informal. Salutation, dear madam, sir, dear, dearest, my dear, etc. Subscription, yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours truly, etc. Yours ever yours loving, yours affectionately, etc. अब बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको दोनों फॉर्मेट के, जो आपका इनफॉर्मल लेटर है एंड फॉर्मल लेटर, दोनों के फॉर्मेट के बारे में बताया है कि कैसे कैसे आपके फॉर्मल लेटर में एंड इनफॉर्मल लेटर में कौन कौन सी चीज़ इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए, ताकि जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम लेटर लिखो तो आप इन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखो. तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको लेटर राइटिंग का ये फॉर्मेट अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे.